What if I told you that you could earn a $4,000 commission from selling a private yacht charter or from selling someone else's course? Yes, you can get a commission on things like that, and that commission can be more than what most people make in a month or even a year. This is the world of high-ticket affiliate marketing. So in this video, I'm breaking down the exact types of high-ticket programs that can generate these life-changing commissions. We're going to explore some overlooked niches like high-end business financing, specialized e-commerce platforms, luxury travel clubs, and even enterprise-level software that pays you for years. And if you want to see what I believe is the best business model to start right now, I put a link to that for you right in the description. Now, affiliate marketing is all about leverage. You can either leverage your traffic to sell $1,050 products and make a commission, or you can leverage that same traffic to sell one $50,000 product. The work is often the same, but the outcome is dramatically different. We don't want to earn a 5% commission on a phone case. We want to earn a 5% commission on something that can fundamentally change our bottom line. The first is a niche that most people ignore, B2B Finance. So instead of helping individuals invest, you help businesses get capital. The numbers are huge for this. For example, a platform like Capitalize.com connects businesses with lenders, and their affiliate program can pay a percentage of the total loan amount. Think about it. A business secures a $400,000 growth loan through your link. A 1.5% commission on that is a $6,000 payday for you from one referral. Pretty good, no? Another angle here is payment processing. A company like Stacks by Fat Merchant offers merchant services. Their affiliate program is powerful because it offers lifetime recurring revenue share. So basically, you refer a growing e-commerce store that processes $200,000 a month and then get a small piece of that every single month for the life of the account. That's the commission that truly compounds over time. Next, let's talk about information products, but on a whole different level. Forget the $97 courses. I'm talking about high-end coaching and masterminds. Programs like Joe Polish's Genius Network have an entry fee of $25,000 a year, and their affiliate program has offered commissions in the 10 to 15% range. If you do the math, that's a $2,500 to $3,750 commission for one sign-up. Even my own advanced coaching programs operate on this model. We have affiliates who promote our programs that cost over $10,000, and we gladly pay a 40% commission, which comes out to a $4,000 fee for the affiliate. So if you can build trust in a niche, selling high transformation coaching is one of the most direct paths to huge commissions. Another category is obvious when you think about it: ultra luxury experiences. People with money spend a lot of it on travel. Instead of promoting budget airlines, you want to promote private travel clubs. Inspirato, for example, is a club where members pay thousands upfront plus annual fees for access to luxury vacation homes. Their affiliate program has been known to pay over $1,000 as a flat fee for a single new member referral. And to take it a step further, think bigger than hotels. Think about yacht charters. A company like the Moorings charter private yachts for tens of thousands of dollars a week. A standard 5% travel commission on a $40,000 weekly charter is a $2,000 commission. If you have a travel blog or channel, you could be leaving massive money on the table by not targeting the highest end of the market. Finally, let's talk about software, but not the $29 a month tools. We're talking enterprise-level software that powers major corporations. The best part here is the high recurring commissions. For example, HubSpot is probably a name you know, but their enterprise suite is where the big affiliate money is. An enterprise plan can cost a company over $4,000 a month, and HubSpot offers affiliates a 30% recurring commission for the first year. That's $1,200 in your pocket every single month for a full year, which is over $14,000 from one referral. You can also look for programs with massive one-time payouts, like Shopify Plus. Their enterprise e-commerce solution costs businesses thousands per month. Their affiliate program offers a massive 200% bounty on the first month's fee. For a client paying $2,000 a month, that's a one-time $4,000 commission paid directly to you. Now, I know promoting high-ticket offers sounds intimidating, but the funnels to attract these clients are surprisingly simple once you have the right template. In fact, if you want to copy all of my funnels and frameworks for high-ticket offers like this, remember the link to that is waiting for you in the description below. This is all about working smarter, not harder. Now, if you got any value from this video, go ahead and give it a like and subscribe for more just like this, and I will see you in the next video.